Okay, for 125, they want us to rewrite as a product and as a sum, right? So for A, right, we have to multiply these, so we get x times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. 7 times 2x is 14x. And 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. Then our like terms. So we have 2x squared plus 9x minus 35. And for B, we have to distribute. So we get 5x times y is 5xy. 5x times negative 7 is negative 35x. And that's all we can do for B. And for C, let's do this. We need space, but let's try to fit it here. C. We have 3x minus 7 times x squared minus 2x plus 11. So one by one, we have to distribute this 3x into all three of those terms. So we're going to have to multiply that. So 3x times x squared is 3x to the third. 3x times negative 2x is minus 6x squared. And 3x times 11 is 33x. Now we have to take the negative 7, right? And we have to do the same. Multiply it by all three of those, right? So negative 7 times x squared is negative 7x squared. Negative 7 times negative 2x is plus 14x. And negative 7 times 11 is minus 77. Now we look for our like terms. So I have 3x cubed, right? And I'm going to put like lines under these so I remember when I do them. Then I have this negative 6x squared and negative 7x squared. That's negative 13x squared. Then I have 33x and 14x. That's 47x. And then I have this remaining minus 77. So I have 3x cubed minus 13x squared plus 47x minus 77.